Over 50? Transform your body with just 5 simple moves. No gym, no equipment. What if I told you that you could completely transform your body after 50 without stepping foot in a gym, without buying a single piece of equipment, and without spending hours on complicated routines? Most people think that once you hit a certain age, your body slows down, muscles shrink, and energy levels just keep dropping. But here's the truth, your body still has an incredible ability to rebuild strength, improve flexibility, and even boost your metabolism, if you give it the right kind of movement. And the best part? You can do it all from your living room. Stick with me because in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple moves that can change the way you feel, look, and move, no matter your current fitness level. These aren't extreme exercises. They're safe, effective, and designed specifically to work with your body as it is now, not how it was 20 years ago. And once you start doing them, you'll be shocked at how quickly you notice changes. The secret they don't tell you about fitness after 50. Here's something most fitness programs won't tell you. Past the age of 50, the most important thing isn't how much weight you can lift or how many miles you can run. It's how consistently you move your body in the right way. At this stage of life, you need exercises that protect your joints, maintain muscle, and keep your balance sharp. Because let's be real, what good is having big biceps if you struggle to get out of a chair or carry groceries without feeling winded? That's where these 5 moves come in. They work with your body, not against it, and they prepare you for real-life movements. Move 1. The chair squat. Imagine you're about to sit down in a chair. Now, instead of collapsing into it, you control your movement, lowering slowly, then standing back up with strength. That's the chair squat. Why start with this? Because leg strength is your foundation. Strong legs mean you can climb stairs with ease, keep your balance, and avoid the slow decline in mobility that happens when muscles weaken. Chair squats target your thighs, glutes, and core all at once, and they do it in a safe way by using a chair as your guide. Here's how to make it count. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower down slowly until you almost touch the chair, then press back up. Keep your chest up, and don't let your knees cave in. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions, and as you get stronger, add more. The beauty of this move is that it directly mimics something you do every single day: getting in and out of a chair. Master this, and you're training your body for real life. Why this simple motion protects you from falls. Every year, millions of people over 50 experience falls, often leading to serious injuries. But here's something you may not know: most falls don't happen because of bad luck. They happen because of weak leg muscles and poor balance. The chair squat strengthens both, making it one of the best exercises you can possibly do to stay independent for years to come. Move 2. Wall push-ups. Push-ups are great for building strength in your chest, shoulders, and arms, but let's be honest. Not everyone can drop to the floor and pump out a set, especially if you're just getting back into fitness. That's where wall push-ups come in. Stand facing a wall, place your hands on it at shoulder height, and step back a little. Slowly bend your elbows, bringing your chest toward the wall, then push back to the starting position. It's the same motion as a regular push-up, but much gentler on your joints and back. Wall push-ups not only build upper body strength, they also engage your core muscles, which are key for posture. Good posture doesn't just make you look more confident, it reduces strain on your neck, shoulders, and lower back. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions, and as you get stronger, you can step further back from the wall to increase the challenge. The surprising link between push-ups and heart health. Studies show that upper body strength, especially pushing strength, can be linked to better cardiovascular health and longevity. That means something as simple as wall push-ups isn't just toning your arms, it might actually be helping your heart. Move 3. Standing side leg raises. Think about the muscles you use to step sideways, stabilize yourself on uneven ground, or prevent yourself from tipping over when you trip. Those are your hip abductors, and they often get ignored in most workouts. Standing side leg raises are perfect for strengthening them. Stand tall, holding onto the back of a chair for balance if needed. Lift one leg out to the side, keeping it straight, then slowly lower it back down. You should feel the muscles working along the side of your hips and thighs. Switch sides after your set. This exercise improves balance, strengthens your hips, and helps prevent injuries. Weak hips are a major reason people develop walking difficulties as they age, so training them now is like putting insurance on your mobility. The little muscle group that keeps you walking. Most people focus on their quads or calves but completely forget about the muscles that move you side to side. When these weaken, it's harder to catch yourself if you lose balance, increasing your fall risk. Side leg raises directly target these stabilizing muscles, making your movements safer and more controlled. Move 4. Bird dog. This one might sound strange, but it's one of the best full body exercises you can do for stability. Start on your hands and knees. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg backward at the same time, keeping your back flat. Hold for a moment, then return to the starting position and switch sides. Bird dogs train your core, lower back, and glutes, all while improving coordination. They're especially good for keeping your spine healthy, which is important if you spend a lot of time sitting or if you've had lower back discomfort in the past. Go slow, focus on keeping your movements controlled, and breathe steadily. You don't need many repetitions for this one. Quality is more important than quantity. Why your core is more than just your abs. Most people think core means just the front of your stomach. In reality, your core includes the muscles around your spine, your sides, and even your hips. Strengthening all of these helps you stand taller, move with more confidence, and reduce pain from everyday activities. Move 5. Standing march with arm swings. For the final move, we combine strength, balance, and a little bit of cardio. Stand tall, lift one knee toward your chest, then switch legs in a slow marching motion. As you lift each knee, swing the opposite arm forward, just like you would while walking briskly. This exercise works your legs, hips, and core, while also getting your heart rate up slightly. The arm swings engage your upper body, making this a surprisingly good whole body move. You can even do it while watching TV. Why a simple march can boost your brain. Here's a bonus benefit. Marching with opposite arm swings helps improve coordination between the left and right sides of your brain. That means you're not just exercising your body, you're keeping your mind sharp, too. Now, here's the beauty of these 5 moves. You can do them all in one simple routine that takes less than 15 minutes a day. Start with one round, doing each move for about 8 to 12 reps, and rest when you need to. Over time, add more repetitions or rounds as your strength and stamina improve. The real transformation isn't just physical. When you commit to these simple movements, you're not just building muscle, you're building confidence. You're proving to yourself that it's never too late to take control of your health. That mindset shift is what truly changes your life. So, if you're over 50 and think you need a fancy gym membership or expensive equipment to transform your body, think again. Your own body is the best tool you have, and with these 5 simple moves, you can stay strong, independent, and active for years to come. Try this routine today, and let me know how you feel after just a week. Remember, age is just a number, but how you feel and move every day is what really counts.